Court does call the case of the people versus Cartier-Raines.
And that was the people.
And Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Cartier-Raines. Mr. James, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the court?
Also files with this block. He did. He said something. Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
I, Cartier Amani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be
Okay.
to be represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or straw man. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Hey, you finished? All right, the court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th. That's at 9 a.m. That is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to say.
Yes.
Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
I'll follow up with you. Thank you.
Does call the case of the people versus Stephen Javon.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Javon, who's approaching.
They did have my social security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
If you ever took that for the people.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this matter.
State your name for the record, sir.
Red Crockett. I haven't had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my birthday.
Hang on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They had that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, in which I'm still going through stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something happened.
Okay, but I just
not
need
too
to
long
know.
ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just excited to kill this case, man. Because this case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report. They got me.
Okay, all right.
This stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on. At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Counsel, what do you want to do on this?
Approach, please.
No.
Maybe
I
we
can't keep
approach.
going because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going that stuff with it. Just doing stuff to me. I've had
Is this going to be
cases
important?
this year.
It's okay. Yeah, come on.
This is
Okay.
open and shut state. I shouldn't be.
All right. Go ahead. Okay, what are we, record to reflect, you had a brief bench conference in this case. What are we doing with this man?
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any statement?
Evaluation,
Any-
and they almost killed me.
Sir,
get me out this room, man. They almost killed me, man.
Sir,
I can't
sir.
keep going through this, man.
Sir,
I'm not gonna go
Sir.
through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest. Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna say,
he got
sir, I'm gonna say,
something now.
sir, one
I
more
had a
time.
Reaction to that.
Sir.
Almost was dead from that allergic reaction, man. You and Collins, man. Already a conflict of interest.
I'm gonna order a competency evaluation, parental
I'm gonna order you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You wanna know
I'll leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
Because
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get- I'm gonna
evaluation from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
to
gonna
be
get through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right?
Not
If
gonna-
you don't want to conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me.
The defendant admitted to possessing and using cocaine and acknowledged knowing what it was. He requested a new attorney, claiming dissatisfaction with communication and understanding with his current counsel, Mr. Brown, though the court emphasized that Mr. Brown is one of the finest attorneys in the county and denied the motion to replace him. The defendant explained he would need time to hire a private attorney and asked about pro bono representation, which the court clarified he already had. The hearing was adjourned for a week to allow further discussion with his attorney. Additionally, the defendant faced a community corrections bond issue, stating he had not reported after release on May 11th due to lack of paperwork and misunderstanding of reporting requirements. Upon learning a warrant might be issued, he immediately contacted Community Corrections on May 23rd and has been compliant since, asserting readiness for testing despite confusion over conditions from a separate pending circuit court case.
With you, I'm not, well, they'll get it.
Yeah.
Just
Like
leave
it came out
it,
and
just
comes new?
leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
So make it.